to add your Pluxee card to Google Pay. 1. Open the Google Pay app on your Android phone. 2. Tap on your profile icon or your wallet at the top right corner. 3. Select Add a payment method or add a card. 4. Take your Pluxee card, formerly Sodexo, and enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as shown. 5. Tap Save or Continue. 6. If your Pluxee card is supported for Google Pay, some countries support Visa, MasterCard, or RuPay variants, it will proceed to verification. 7. You will receive a one-time password OTP via SMS or email. Enter it to confirm. 8. Once verified, your Pluxee card will be added to Google Pay and ready for tap to pay or online purchases at supported stores. 9. If the app says your card isn't supported, you can still use it directly through the Pluxee app or at Pluxee partner merchants.